Chapter 16, Problem 8. Consider the phase diagram above. 3.5 moles of solid substance X is placed in a rigid 0.5 liter container, and the container is sealed. If the container is held at 300 Kelvin, what states of matter must be present? So when you're looking at a phase diagram, you've got different areas that are different phases for a particular substance. If the temperature is cold and high pressure, you should have a solid. But if we drop the pressure and make the temperature really high, we should have a gas. And then it kind of makes sense that a liquid should be somewhere in the middle. Okay, so if you have 3.5 moles of solid substance and it's at 300 Kelvin. So here's 300 Kelvin on the graph. I'm just going to kind of make a line going up. We could see that if you're at 300 Kelvin, it's either going to be the gas phase, so gas only, liquid only, or it's going to be on the line there. So if it's right there, then you're going to have liquid and gas. Okay, so we definitely can't have solid. So I'm going to get rid of A and I'm going to get rid of D. All right, let's guess that it's going to be a gas only. If it's a gas only, we could figure out the pressure of the gas using the ideal gas law. So we've got 3.5 moles, little r, (300 Kelvin) in a 0.5 liter container. So if all of it is a gas, it would have a pressure of 173.5. So let's go over to our graph and find 173.5. So that's roughly here. So if I continue that across, that would be in the liquid phase. So according to what we just said here, we said if it's a gas, right? So if that point intersected in the gas area, we would have been correct to assume that it's gas only. But since it's in the liquid area, that's impossible. So we'll get rid of gas. Okay, now can it be a liquid only? Well, if you put a substance into a container and there's any space above it, then it's going to be in equilibrium with the gas. So we have X liquid down here, X gas up here. So it's impossible to have a liquid only unless the liquid is filled all the way to the top. So there's absolutely no room in your container whatsoever. So that tells us that we're going to have a liquid and a gas.